All right, so this is the ChatGPT plugins. If you remember, we were looking at it a couple weeks ago. There was just a couple, and now it's blown up to 268 freaking plugins.
Wow.
Yeah. And it'll probably be even higher by the time this video comes out. So to access plugins, you're going to go over here to settings and make sure you have beta features turned on.
Nice.
And also make sure plugins and browse with Bing, make sure both of these are checked. Browse with Bing lets it access the internet, but which you don't really need to do because there's plugins that access the internet for you, which I'll show you in a second.
Quick side note, it feels like beta is like the new future of everything. I feel like everything that's in beta is all the great stuff. Like Adobe Premiere beta has all those awesome captioning ability and everything. It's just like, if you're not in beta, you're not in the future.
Yeah. Yeah, I think we change all of our company stuff to beta.
We're in beta now, forever.
This is a beta video. So you're going to make sure that's on. You're going to click GPT-4.
Yep.
And then go to plugins. And you're going to go down to the plugin store. So from the plugin store, don't get confused. Popular is just the best 8.
Sure.
Sorry, the best 16. So each page has 8. But if you go to all, that's when it gets crazy and you see, oh, wow, hold on. So yesterday, this was 34 pages. This is constantly evolving. So they deleted probably 4 apps.
Interesting.
Who knows? Yeah, who knows why? But anyway, this is all the apps here. So you're going to search the app you're looking for. We're going to look for the memes for our comedians and content creators out there.
Nice.
This is already installed, but you're going to just hit install to make sure both of these are installed. And then we're going to also a very good one to have, which isn't exactly part of memes, is one called VoxScript. So make sure this is installed. This is kind of a general plugin that lets you search YouTube transcripts. So what people say in a YouTube video can be searched, financial data, and Google search results. So this takes the place of having your ChatGPT search the internet. If you look here, let's see, you can either you can either select between plugins or browse the internet, but not both.
Okay.
Which means when you're using a plugin, you need something like Vox to use the to check the internet.
Gotcha.
All right. So I already ran these. There's these 2 plugins. One is the meme creator and one is the meme generator. Now they sound identical, but they do very different things. All right, so the meme creator actually has more documentation. So I thought that was going to be better. For documentation, I go to this gptstore.ai and I type in the name. It only has 208 of the apps, so some of them are missing. The meme generator was not in this library, so I figured, oh, maybe meme creator's better. It's got more documentation. So I looked up the documentation, how to do exactly what prompts to put in, the ideal prompts and stuff.
Nice.
So I went in and I asked it just a very basic, create a meme about F1. It tried and failed, tried and failed, tried and failed, and then tried and failed, and then said, okay, sorry, I'll contact the developers. Anything else? Anything else I can help you with? Like, no, you didn't help me the first time. So I tried a really general one, just create a meme about cars. And it tried, and it didn't even try and fail and try and fail. It just tried once and said, I can't, I can't do it. So a meme about F1 slow drivers couldn't do it. Funny memes about cats. Now, this is the literal prompt from their ideal use case. So
Yeah.
on their page, they said, this is an example meme. So I just copied, I pasted it, and it worked finally. When humans tell me to fetch, did I do I look like a dog to you? All right, decent, grumpy one.
Yeah, pretty good.
So then on their page, it says very clearly that you can generate multiple memes. You can do it at once, but I chose to do it separately. So I just said, all right, create another one. And then it said, when humans say smile, this is my happy face. This is my happy face. That's the way he's saying it in the picture. So I said, all right, cool. It seemed like it's a one-trick pony. It used the same picture. So I said, hey, create another one, but with a different picture. It failed. And then it tried again, and then it failed.
Wow.
So I said, all right, this one may not be the best. Let's try meme generator. So I did meme generator. Let's get out of here. So I did meme generator and said, same prompt as I asked the last one, create a prompt about F1. Me watching F1 instead of doing my work. So pretty good. It got it. It knew that F1 was a thing that be watched, and it knew that I was ignoring all of my work by watching it. So it's very accurate. Good meme. I tried again just to make sure it wasn't a fluke. Max Verstappen is an F1 driver. So I asked to make a meme about Max Verstappen. It's a shame I can't get the whole meme in here. Weird. You know what? Let me make it smaller.
Cool.
There we go. Yeah, so I asked it to make a meme about Max Verstappen. It said other F1 drivers, no, and then Max Verstappen. This is good. This is a meme. This is it knows Max Verstappen is an F1 driver. I didn't tell it that. It's doing good so far. I asked it to make a meme about Hans Niemann, and if you're not a chess player, Hans Niemann is a infamous chess player, for better or for worse. But it knew he was a chess player, and he said playing chess casually, small brain, playing chess professionally, pretty big brain with a lot of lights there, becoming a chess grandmaster, and then being Hans Niemann, and that's basically God mode.
Nice.
Which is pretty impressive. Now, the first fail, create a meme in the style of Curb Your Enthusiasm. Something happened where it stopped making the meme.
Oh.
When you think you've won the argument, and Curb Your Enthusiasm. So this is definitely the style of a Curb Your Enthusiasm meme. It's got Jerry Seinfeld and Kramer. So Larry David is definitely part of that. So that's pretty cool. It just has a weird middle here. So it's getting some points knocked off for that. So I tried again, just asking it to create another one. And then it's exhibit in the background when you say something clever and no one hears it.
Nothing says curb like exhibit.
And I looked it up just to make sure I wasn't crazy. I've watched every Curb. I do not remember him in any episodes. I searched, has exhibit been in Curb Your Enthusiasm? There's no results. So this is, I mean, it's a person laughing awkwardly. Like exhibit's kind of laughing awkwardly. And the words are something that's very Curb Your Enthusiasm like. So
Yeah, that's true. I'll give him that. That seems like a storyline. Like every time I say something good, some loud noise happens and it messes me up getting the
exactly.
laughs.
Yeah. So between the two, between meme generator and meme creator, definitely pick meme generator.
Nice. Hope you guys like this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and laugh. Kaya, did I miss anything?
If you didn't like the video, like ironically.
Subscribe against your will?